This video is sponsored by Squarespace. The GoPro Hero 11 has been out for a few months now, and although I've had my past issues with GoPro, which I'll chat about later, I thought I'd create a video specifically for motovloggers and new GoPro fans out there, outlining the GoPro Hero 11's new features to see if it is worth the upgrade. Taking a look at the physical size of the Hero 11, it's the same size as the Hero 9 and 10, which means you can use the media mod from both the 9 and 10, as well as the batteries and ND filters, which is handy. The Hero 11 comes with the new Enduro battery, which claims to give up to 38% more battery life compared to the original. Usually I'd get up to 1 hour shooting on one of these bad boys. These are the original ones, sometimes less, sometimes like 40 minutes. Not that long, I've always got to carry a few with me. But with the new Enduro battery, it shoots up to 60 minutes at 5.3K 60 frames, or 80 minutes at 4K 60 frames and below that with the resolutions. Where Insta360 shoots for 80 minutes and the Osmo Action shoots for up to 160 at 1080, but it's still a lot longer than these guys. The GoPro is catching up. They have built the battery for colder climates though, so if you guys are snowboarding or riding in the cold ice, then the Enduro battery would definitely benefit you. No resolution or frame rate improvements have been made to the Hero 11 since the Hero 10. However, the Hero 11 now shoots an 8:7 aspect ratio, which means you can now use the same content in horizontal and vertical. I'm now editing this video, guys. I've run into a bit of a speed hump. Now, I would have liked to have shown you guys what it would look like going from 16:9, 9:16 using the new 8:7 ratio. But it turns out it's not that easy. So I'm in the GoPro Quick app here. This is the footage here that I want to use. Double click that to open it, and this happens every time the app crashes. So then, looking into it a bit further, I found out that you need to download the GoPro Player. And this has the real steady thing on there that just, I don't know, makes your stabilized footage even more stabilized. Awesome. So yeah, then you want to click on this. Real steady is now on, which is all good. Exciting. Hells yeah, we're getting there. Aspect ratios, you can change the aspect ratios here, which is really, really cool. So we're going to go 9:16, play that back. Wicked. That's fine. I can use that. And now we go to export. You need to purchase this app to export it. How much is this app? It is USD $100. An extra $100 to be able to utilize the feature that is built into the GoPro Hero 10. I can't believe that they do this. Why would they do this? Like, you know, Insta360 have their studio desktop app, which is free for everyone to use, and so it should be. And GoPro want to charge another $100 on top of everything. And I'm not sure if you can even do it in the GoPro Quick app because it just crashes only when I open up that file though. The other way you can use it is by using the GoPro Quick app on your mobile device. And there's the footage there. So you can reframe it, you can move it around, you can do whatever you damn like. You can even change the lens mode, which is pretty cool. But even from here on in, it's just, you got to then re-export it, transfer it to computer and do all that sort of stuff. So there's a lot of double handling here. I just can't believe that you can't use this thing without paying extra for it. Anyway, moving right along. It also has a new hyper view, which gives you a much wider field of view for capturing more on your rides. The Hero 11 has now bumped up their HyperSmooth from 4.0 to 5.0. It also has a 360-degree horizon lock mode, which isn't something that I'd usually use, seeing as though I like to include the lean sensation. But it is a great improvement over the 10 if you want to keep that horizon level. Maybe you're doing some flips in the air and everything, and you want everything to just be dead straight. This has got you back. One of the largest improvements over the Hero 10 is that the 11 now has 10-bit color. Those of you that don't know what that means, 10-bit color has over 1 billion shades of color, while 8-bit color has only 16 million. This feature won't really benefit the casual user much, but if you do enjoy color grading, it is a massive step up. And if you do have my LUTs pack, these work so well with it. If you don't, links in the description below. Check them out. One free one there for you. And the 10-bit feature is unfortunately only available up to 60 frames a second. Okay, let's check out the nighttime footage. The Hero 11 comes with a new 1.9 image sensor, where the Hero 10 was a 2.3. And here's a side-by-side comparison in a well-lit setting in auto mode. There isn't that much of a difference, especially in the well-lit area. In a darker setting, you may notice a small improvement with reduced noise or grain, which always helps. But which do you prefer? One thing I did notice is the lack of stability when shooting in a low light setting, or when using an ND filter, which seems to be a common occurrence among GoPros and other action cameras. Personally, I feel the upgrade from the Hero 10 to the Hero 11 is what the iPhone 13 is to the iPhone 14. The upgrades aren't that substantial unless you really want that boost in color or stability. If you're wanting to upgrade your pre-Hero 10 GoPro and it's within your budget, then yes, absolutely go for the Hero 11. Now, as regular viewers of the channel may know, since purchasing my GoPro Hero 10 back in 2021, I have not been a fan of GoPro due to the inconsistency of performance and the numerous amount of issues that have occurred. I've had it just shut off after 3 minutes of recording. I've had it tell me that it's recording. Then when I go to hit record again, the whole thing's frozen up and I've just lost that entire bit of footage. Batteries drain super fast, even with the camera off, and the list goes on. A while ago, I released a video on how unreliable the Hero 10 was, and looking through the comments, I couldn't believe the number of users that have had similar or different issues. Now don't get me wrong, I'm still a massive fan of the image quality, and especially more so now with a 10-bit color. But I do believe that GoPro has been overtaken by more innovative, more reliable action camera brands, and so it's goodbye to GoPro for me, for now at least. I've been using other action cameras like Insta360 and DJI, and the amounts of issues I have are very minimal, if any, at all. And it's the worst when I need to be worried if something's filming or if something's going to work or if there's battery while I'm out on the road thinking about a million other things. I want to like them. I really do want to like them, but I can't afford the mishaps that happen with them. But I guess I'm talking from a more professional sort of aspect. If you're just doing this as a hobby and you just like having fun and you just love riding your bike and you just want to do some cool things, you're so fine, you know. And if it doesn't work, it doesn't work, whatever. You're not so worried. I'm here trying to capture the best moment for you guys, and when it just doesn't do it, I just wanna, you know. Now, if you're wondering, no, I didn't buy this. I'm borrowing it off a mate, giving it a try. Maybe GoPro Hero 25 is the one I'll get. Let's see, that's a while away. So what are your thoughts on the Hero 11? What are your thoughts on GoPro in general? Let me know in the comments section below, and while you're down there, like this video and subscribe to the channel if you are new here, and I'll see you guys in the next vid. This video is sponsored by Squarespace. Squarespace gives people a powerful and beautiful online platform from which to create your website. Connect with your audience and generate revenue through gated, members-only content. Manage your members, send email communications, and leverage audience insights, all on one easy-to-use platform. Create a community on your Squarespace website with a fully integrated communicating system that supports threaded comments, replies, and likes. Use their powerful blogging tools to categorize, share, and schedule your posts too. Extend Squarespace's already powerful e-commerce capabilities with Squarespace extensions. These new third-party tools can help you manage inventory, promote products, streamline bookkeeping, reconcile and file sales tax, and ship items across the globe. Display posts from your social profiles on your website and automatically push website content to your favorite social media channels so your followers can share it too. Go to squarespace.com for a free trial, and when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/MotoFeelz to save 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. Thank you so much, Squarespace, for sponsoring this video.